Hey everybody, Chris back with you for another how-to video. So we got a little problem with the side-by-side. The start solenoid, as you can see here, failed on the bike, so I had to order a new one. Now, when I was putting it in, I connected everything together and I discovered that I had a no start situation. So, the basic principle of this is you have your power wire and a ground wire. You fire your charge through here from your key. It activates the solenoid, sends power from one terminal to the other to drive your starter. So because the ground on the bike is broken, I gotta go and I've got to bypass it. So I already cut the wire here. Now we're going to set it up so we can put it back onto the bike. So the first thing I gotta do, take my knife and cut the shield off of the old wire. This is basically just a dust boot. It wasn't tight, it wasn't sealed. So we'll cut that off. Put this over here. So now we have our two leads. I'll take my wire stripper and I'm going to take about between 1/4 to 1/2 inch of wire here. So come out as a nice 1/4 inch long section of wire that I just stripped. So we have our ring connectors, these fellas here, that we're going to put on. But first I'm going to put a piece of heat shrink tubing on it. And the reason why I'm doing this is it will seal the connection and make it watertight. So we are going to throw on our little crimp. Now, there's two ways of doing this. You got your crimpers here for your electrical connectors. I always go to the smaller one, and I just set it. Let's try that again. I just set it in until it holds. So they have a ratchet jaw on them. They will hold the ring connector in place. See? Okay, so now we're going to take our wire and we're going to put it into the ring connector. And we're going to crimp it. Force it all the way down and it will automatically release. Test your connection. So now I'm going to put the heat shrink back over. I'm going to grab my heat gun and we're just going to shrink this up. Going to use high heat setting. Okay, heat guns do get hot. So I pop them in the metal tray so it'll cool. Unplug your heat gun. So now we have the ring. Oh, that is not fully sealed. I mounted my power bar under my desk, just to save space. Okay, so let's do this again. Okay, that's much better. So we'll put that back up there. Get to our cord and give it a pull. So now we have our ground wire set. We're going to take this out in the garage and we're going to set it up. And I will see you in a few minutes.